My name is Amelia. I am 24 years old. My life used to feel simple. I lived in a small town with my mother. We cooked together. We watched evening TV. Everything felt normal. When I was 9, my father died. My mother said it was a heart attack. I was a child. I did not ask questions. I accepted it. Life continued. My uncle and aunt lived one street away. Our families stayed close. I always believed we were a normal, loyal family. One morning, my aunt called. "Adam is coming back," she said. "He will stay here again." Adam, my older cousin, he was quiet as a kid. He never played much. He watched everything more than he joined. I remembered him as distant but calm. The next day, Adam came to our house. He sat in our living room. He asked about work, life, and the town. He spoke softly, but something felt sharp under his voice. He kept looking at me like he was measuring my thoughts. Then suddenly he asked, "Do you think about your father?" The question landed heavy. My chest tightened, though my face stayed still. I answered, "Sometimes." "Why?" He did not reply right away. His eyes moved to the window. For a second, I thought he would say something big. Then he only said, "You don't know the whole story." A small chill ran down my back. Not panic, just quiet confusion. Like a door opening in a dark room. After he left, the silence in the house felt different. Like something old had woken up. That night, I asked my mother, "Did father really have a heart attack?" She froze for just a second, a small pause, but it was enough. She nodded once and said too quickly, "Yes, stop thinking about it." Her voice sounded flat, not sad, and her hands, they shook very slightly. I didn't say anything else, but something shifted inside me. A memory returned. The funeral, my uncle touching my mother's shoulder, whispering something sharp. At the time, I thought it was grief. Now, I wasn't sure. 2 days later, I saw Adam by the store. He stopped walking when he saw me. "Did you ask her?" he asked. "Yes." He nodded. His jaw tightened. Then he leaned in a little and whispered, "Do not trust anyone." His voice did not sound angry or dramatic. It sounded tired. Then he walked away, leaving me there with a cold, quiet fear in my stomach. A few evenings later, my mother and I went to my uncle's house for dinner. The atmosphere felt stiff. My uncle said, almost like a warning, "Family keeps each other safe. Remember that." The room felt heavy, like everyone was thinking the same thing and refusing to say it. A week later, Adam came to my place again. No smile, no small talk. He sat down, looked straight at me and said, "Your father didn't die from a heart attack." My fingers felt numb around the cup I was holding. I did not move. I just listened. Adam spoke slowly, like every word cost something. He wanted to leave the family business. He said it was wrong. He wanted to tell someone. My breath tightened. I asked quietly, "What business?" He looked at me, steady and calm, and said, "Illegal financial work, documents." Money moved quietly. He helped them. Then he didn't want to anymore. The room felt smaller. I whispered, "So what happened to him?" Adam's voice lowered. He argued. He said he would go to the police one day. He didn't get the chance. My vision didn't blur. I didn't break. I just sat still like my body understood before my mind did. My family didn't protect him. They protected themselves. I asked, "Why tell me now?" He looked tired. "Because you remind me of him. Quiet, honest. You don't lie well. If you start asking questions, they will notice. And they don't allow loose ends." "What should I do?" I asked. He stood. "Leave. Quietly. Don't confront. Just go. Your father wanted to save himself too. They didn't let him." The next morning, I packed a small bag. I didn't wait for courage. I didn't wait for fear. I just left. One step at a time. I didn't tell my mother. I didn't speak to my uncle. I didn't look back down my street. I moved to another city, a small apartment, a job in a library, quiet days, safe nights. Sometimes I think about my father, not the lie, the truth. He tried to walk away. He tried to live clean, but the family held him like a chain. I survived by leaving, not fighting. Family is not always a home. Sometimes it is a wall with no doors, and sometimes the safest thing you can do is walk away before they decide you know too much.